Mini camera ALC T11. Do you want to know what is going on in your house during your absence? The IP-HD mini camera, hidden in the ALC T11 alarm clock, will enable remote discreet live view. It records both during the day and after dark, thanks to the invisible infrared illuminator. It is a perfect tool for supervising a child's carer, partner, and teenagers, and also gains evidence of burglar activity. It is recommended to place the alarm clock with the mini camera in the corner of the room due to the viewing angle of the camera, which is 78 degrees. Such a location for the device will provide the widest frame. The camera turns on after motion is detected and can record up to 5 hours with a continuous power supply. Thanks to the motion activation function, you don't need to go through hours of recordings to locate the footage you are looking for. Mini camera registers an intruder looking for confidential information as well as a babysitter with your child. You can control the mini camera remotely using an application installed on Android or iOS devices. Good quality photos and recordings are provided by the CMOS sensor. And the infrared illuminator that you run remotely can provide a bright image at night. Video and photo files are stored on replacement memory cards, up to 32GB capacity. This enables swift and discreet replacement of storage media. Remember to swap cards or download material to your computer. Why is this so important? The device has the function of overwriting recordings. This means that it overwrites the oldest recordings on the memory card when the free space has been used. This helps to avoid a situation in which an intruder enters the room and the camera would not save material due to a lack of storage space. Each recording is of HD quality, so it is very easy to identify a potential intruder.